What's going on, guys? My name's Josh and I'm here with part 2 of my cafe racer build. It's a Honda CM450E 1982. It's got the drum brakes, no discs, and it's the 2-cylinder. I have not gotten a chance to work on the carbs yet. I haven't gotten the new jets and stuff yet, but I have been working on removing all the electronics down to the grips and throttle, headlights, all of the gauges, turn signals, everything. Got a coat of primer on the gas tank, and it got a little bit of rust in it, so I sprayed some, you can't really see, but I sprayed some carb cleaner in there, and that cleaned it out pretty good. Yeah, what I'm going to do next is, now I've got and mostly down to the frame, I'm going to finish getting the exhaust taken off, fenders, strip the wheels down to the drums, and paint those, get the chain off obviously, get the shocks off, drop the engine off of it, get the forks off, and then paint the engine, paint the frame, or we'll sand them down, strip all the crap off of them, get the oxidation off, and strip all the rust off the paint, off of the frame, and then paint the frame, probably powder coat it or just undercoat it with like truck undercoating, and go from there. Probably going to paint straight pipes black and leave that chrome, trumpets chrome. I have not decided on that. I got a ton of time. And in case anybody's wondering, this is the seat I've got. It's a brown, like China seat. It's not real leather, which kind of sucks, but it was only $100. So that's just what you get. But there will be more videos to come on this. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like and subscribe if you want to keep seeing more of this, and see you in the next video. Thanks.